Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I will share with you a very easy chocolate pudding recipe. The pudding is so easy and prepared in no time, so why don't you make a heart-shaped strawberries? So cute and perfect for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. Start with 35 grams of sugar into a bowl and add cornstarch and whisk together well. There will be less chance to create a lump if you combine sugar and cornstarch at this point. Slowly add whole milk, a couple of tablespoons, and whisk until mixed. Pour the milk mixture past through a sieve. Rinse the bowl with the rest of the milk. Turn the heat to medium and keep stirring until bubbling and thickened for 3 to 4 minutes. Add semi-sweet chocolate, salt, and vanilla paste. Leave it a minute or so. When the chocolate melts, whisk until homogenized. Pour evenly into the prepared cup. Put a piece of plastic wrap on surface to avoid forming a skin on top. Chill in the fridge for 2 hours to overnight. Next, make heart-shaped strawberries. Trim and cut in half. Use your paring knife to shape a top like this. Do not throw these strawberries away. Chop into small dice and mix with strawberry jam. Finish chocolate pudding before serving. Pour strawberry jam on top and garnish with fresh strawberries. The texture is kind of bouncy and melt in your mouth. Not too sweet and light and chocolatey. What is your plan for Valentine's Day? You can make delicious chocolate pudding in the very last minute of Valentine's Day. Give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss more delicious recipes like this. Feel free to leave a comment and questions. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!